there, welcome back. So now you know how to create gray, blur, sepia, invert, opacity, saturate, contrast, brightness and hue rotate effect using CSS image filters. So now in this model we are going to learn about a drop shadow effect. Okay, so you can create any pixels a drop shadow effect of that. Okay, so for that let's visit to our creator, and now you can see create a page that's called drop shadow.html. Okay, and now go to hue rotate, copy it, paste it here, and go up and change this class name to be drop shadow. And let's get back to our style sheet, and here at the very end let's comment it to be a drop shadow page, and here let's apply drop shadow, and let's apply a filter. Okay, so it's drop shadow. So in drop shadow actually your value is based on pixels. Okay, so how much pixel you want in x-axis, in y-axis, how much blur you want, and even which alpha transparency you want. Okay, so let me show you. I want 15 pixel in x-axis, 15 pixel in y-axis, 10 pixel blur, and RGBA will be in black. So 0, this is a color code of a black. Okay, it's 000, and I need RGBA, it's 0.8 alpha transparency, it's 80%. Okay, so let's create a same filter for WebKit and Moz. So save our time and copy it, paste it here, and here just apply WebKit. Okay, and this is for Moz, it's Moz. And now when I just visit to our drop shadow and click here for live preview, and now you can see it's applied. Okay, so this is the drop shadow of these pictures. Okay, you see this is really awesome. So you ever wonder that how to create that? Well, this is really easy with CSS. Okay, so like if you increase it, then it will going to be like more drop shadow. Okay, so where you want to increase, in x-axis or y-axis? Let's take in x-axis. Okay, so make it 30 pixel, and now you see it's x-axis. Okay, see it's here, and this is y-axis. So let's make it long, very long. Okay, it's 50 pixels on y-axis. So you can see now if you refresh it, see it's y-axis, it's go down. So this is how you create your drop shadow effect. Okay, so if you want, then you can actually make it on hover. So if I put hover, and then you can see this image is really normal, but if I go here, you can see drop shadow. So you can create a very cool effect. Really, this is so awesome. Okay, so now you know how to use a drop shadow, so go and use it. Okay, and so now I'm going to use same process adding it here. Okay, so for that I just print screen on my keyboard, same MS Paint, paste, and in this time I'm going to just crop it here. It's look like a drop shadow. Okay, crop it, resize it to 50, and save it as a drop shadow. Close it and get back to our code editor, and here I will just put a link that will be drop shadow. Okay, and here I drop shadow, you can see, and here too. Okay, and now copy it, go here, paste it, save it, 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 and blur, paste and save it, save it, save it, and now you're done. Okay, so now if I just go back to here, and if I click here on drop shadow, you can see here drop shadow, click here, and now you can see it's going to appear here. So this is really so awesome. Okay, so this is how you make drop shadow of your image. So thank you so much, and see you in the next module.